Wow! Dandan, did you see that?
Yes, let's go and find out. Look, it's still moving.
I think it's a plant. That's what I heard Tobo saying once.
Oh, what's a plant?
Yes, indeed, Mim. It's a tree. Just like we grow, a plant too grows. It needs food and water just like us.
Wow!
And yes, just like we have hands and legs, plants too have different body parts.
But I don't see any hands or legs.
Oh, no. They have parts like roots, and roots are inside the soil. You can't see them.
And what is this?
That's the stem. And these are its green leaves. And do you see that bright orange thing? That's a flower. Isn't it beautiful? Ha 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 ha! And that's a fruit. It is pomegranate.
My favorite pomegranate was sitting on the tree.
Ha 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 ha! It wasn't sitting there.
It grows on the tree. Wow! Fruits grow on trees?
Trees are so beautiful. I like trees.
We will grow lot of trees.
Lot of trees.
Very well thought.
Hey, Mim, look at Tobo.
What he is doing?
Let's ask him. Hey, Tobo, what are you doing?
Oh, I got new plants for our garden. Would you like to help me?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, Dandan, this plant is yours and this one's yours, Mim. Will you take good care of them?
Yes.
All right. You will water them once every day. And where do you want to keep them?
I will keep mine here in the garden.
I want to keep mine inside the house.
After 1 week.
Hey, Mim, I forgot to water my plant today.
Dandan, your plant is taller than mine. Come, see mine. We planted together, but my plant is shorter than yours. Why?
Let's ask DG. Hello, DG.
DG, Dandan's plant is taller than mine. Why?
Kids, plants need water and sunlight to grow. Where are your plants?
Inside the house.
I have kept mine in the garden.
Oh, Mim, your plant isn't getting sunlight then. And did you water it every day?
Not every day. I forgot.
But I water my plant every day.
That is why your plant is growing and is taller than Dandan. Don't be sad, Mim. You can still keep your plant in the garden.
Oh, will it grow fast then?
Yes, of course. Calm down, kids. Don't worry, I'll explain everything to you. Now watch, listen, and learn. This is a plant. It is a living being. It breathes air like you do. It drinks water like you do. It gets energy from sunlight like you do. So, now you see, plants are just like us.
I love your plant.
Hey friends!
Hey, Raimo!
Where were you, Raimo?
We have not seen you for so many days.
I was with my friends.
Friends. We are your friends.
I have more friends.
Who are they?
Would you all like to meet them?
Of course.
Come, follow me. These are my friends.
Who?
Are they hiding behind the trees?
These trees are my friends.
Oh, wow. I want to meet them.
I want to meet them too.
Yes, you all stand there. My friend tree, my friend tree. Clean air it gives to my team and me. My friend tree, my friend tree. Shade it gives to my team and me. My friend tree, my friend tree. Fruits it gives to my team and me. My friend tree, my friend tree. Fruits it gives to my team and me.
Raimo! 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 Raimo!
My friend tree, my friend tree. Home it gives to my friends and me. But dear ones, my friends are very less now. Will you grow more trees?
Yes, sure. What say Mim and Dandan?
Anything for trees. Trees we will grow. Trees we will grow. Raimo, our friend, just wait and see.
Trees give air. Trees give fruits. Trees give shade. Trees give home.
Trees we will grow. Trees we will grow. Raimo, our friend, just wait and see.
Hey kids, what's going on?
We want to eat fruits, but the fruit bowl is up there.
Don't worry, I'm tall and I have big hands. I will get it down for you. Yes, I found a fruit.
Which fruit? Which fruit?
It's red, it's round, it's sweet.
Red, round, sweet. Apple. It's an apple.
Yes, it's an apple. Well done, Dandan. Catch. Yes, I found a fruit.
Which fruit? Which fruit?
It's green. Little green round things in a bunch. Some are sweet, some are sour.
Grapes. Yummy, yummy grapes.
Yes, it's grape. Well done, Mim Mim. Catch. Yes, I found a fruit.
Yes, it's Gojo's turn to get the fruit.
It's yellow, it's tall, and it has a skin that peels off. It's a banana. It's my favorite. I will eat it. Don't worry, Gojo. The next fruit is yours. Yes, I found a fruit. It's green on the outside. It's round. It's huge. It's red on the inside.
It's a watermelon, right?
Yes. Get ready to catch, Gojo. Here comes your huge watermelon. Ha ha ha. Anyone else? Ha ha ha.
Ah, you scared me.
What are you doing here?
Shh. I found something.
What is that? Show me.
Look there.
Wow, lovely flowers.
Oh, yes. I was trying to remember what they are.
Ha ha ha. Come, let's go and make friends with them.
Flower, flower, what's your name?
My name is Rose. Rose is red.
Oh, dear Rose, be our friend.
There you go. I am your friend.
Flower, flower, who you are?
Yellow sunflower, in sun I dance.
Hey, sunflower, be our friend.
There you go. I am your friend.
Flower, flower, what's your name?
White, white jasmine. Smell my face.
Oh, lovely Jasmine, be our friend.
There you go. I am your friend.
Flower, flower, why in water?
Pink, pink lotus. I live on water.
Floating lotus, be our friend.
There you go. I am your friend. Welcome everybody to our fruit mashup. Welcome to our Fruits Day celebration. Welcome our Miss Orangey.
Juicy orange, gives us energy. Juicy orange, sweet and very tangy. Juicy orange, gives us energy.
Well done, Mimim. Oh, sorry. Well done, Miss Orangey. Let us all welcome Red and Juicy Apple.
I am apple red and sweet. Have me every day. Keep the doctor away. I am apple red and sweet. Have me every day. Keep the doctor away.
Now, welcome the King of Fruits, Mr. Mango.
Hey, I am Mr. Mango. Let's all do the tango. I am so tasty, both sweet and tangy. I am the fruit king. Eat me and then sing.
Our Tobo loves banana. So, here comes Mr. Tobo. I am thick and long. I will make you strong. Have me every day and nothing will go wrong. Let's welcome our all the yummy fruits on the stage.